So, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. So, our topic for today is all about giant freshwater frog. So, giant freshwater frog, commonly known as ulang or sa Bisaya is uwak. So, introduction. Macro, vacuum, kasi Virgin, commonly known as Campspeak, is the giant freshwater frog. They are found in tropical and subtropical or farm. Freshwater frogs belong to the genus Macrovacuum. The largest species in the genus is Macrovacuum. So areas of the world out of which 49 species are of fisheries importance and 15 species are of culture significant. They are found in inland freshwater areas including lakes, rivers, swamps, canals, ponds, and also in estuary areas. So ang kaning species, ang giant freshwater frog is kita sa mga rivers or other species that grow to large size. Americano and Carcino. While is considered a freshwater species, the larval stage of the animal depends on brackish water. Once the individual shrimp has gone beyond the plankton stage and becomes it lives entirely in fresh water. So, muna ang classification of giant freshwater frog, domain, Clariota, kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Arthropoda, class, Malacostrata, order, Dicapoda, order, Neosmita, order, Criteria, family, Palimonite, genus is introduction. Giant freshwater frogs live in freshwater environments but married females migrate downstream to brackish water, where the eggs hatch into larvae. The ideal salinity of brackish water for larvae of survive is 12 parts per 1,000. These crustaceans are common in the tropical and subtropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region and are reported to grow to a length of 25.5 cm. Based on breeding trials, they take at least 6 months to mature. So ang breeding trials nila daw sa 6 months kada mature. So, mali ang life cycle sa giant freshwater frog. So, mali ang kani sa egg niya o larva, nine, and so, mali ang external part sa giant freshwater frog. Mali siya. Same lang sa one species like mga sabayan o isa pa na dalawang na ilan din para ito. Ay taas na nila parang iba sa sabayan eh di man yung walay na rin ito. So ang sa giant freshwater frog naran sa taas na rin. Status. Giant freshwater prawn, also known as widely cultivated and valued in aquaculture for its size and taste. While populations in the wild face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing, farming practices have increased its availability. Conservation efforts and sustainable farming methods are being promoted to ensure measure its long-term viability. Overall, while cultivated stocks are robust, while populations are more vulnerable and require monitoring. So, economic importance of giant freshwater prawn. The giant freshwater prawn is economically significant due to its role in aquaculture, where it is one of the most widely farmed species. Its rapid growth and high market demand drive investment in aquaculture systems, making it a lucrative business for farmers. The industry generates substantial income, including revenues of 4 million rupees. Employment opportunities arise from farming, processing, and distribution, contributing to local economies. So, exporting giant prawns enhances foreign exchange earnings for countries, boosting their economic standing in global markets. As a high protein food source, it contributes to food security and nutrition, especially in regions where seafood is a dietary staple. Cultural importance of giant prawns can also stimulate local tourism and related businesses. Sustainable farming practices are increasingly promoted, which can help protect ecosystems and ensure long-term viability. So, in summary, giant freshwater prawn supports economic growth, job creation, and food security, making it a vital resource for many communities worldwide. So that's my presentation. Thank you. The larval stage of the animal depends on the water. Kasi ko ang giant fish, water